Hey y'all, and welcome back to Our Road Less Traveled. I apologize for this video ahead of time. It was kind of spur of the moment doing the water heater flush, but that's what this video is about. So thanks for watching. Leave any comments or questions you have, and again, sorry for the quality of it.
Moment of truth. It's not that bad.
It's not too bad.
How long has it been since we replaced it?
I never replaced it this year.
So it's been a year.
Felt all kind of sand and gravel come out of that thing. We're descaling the water heater. So that thing, I already threw the anode right away, but it keep draining. Every 6 months to a year, you need to check your anode rod so the inside of your water heater doesn't. This one's not that bad, and I mean you can see some of the sediment that came out right there.
Very little.
Yeah, I mean it's minimal, but that's what you want. That's why you don't wait until your anode rod is completely gone. I mean they're $20, so let's see if we get anything else out of here.
Oh, a little bit. Thank you.
I don't think there's much in there to get out. Basically, I'm just using water to force any particles out, but I'm not seeing any. I think that's good. Get the new anode rod. So that's the find it interesting that it ate away there first.
Mm-hmm.
But as it eats this, that's what ends up in your tank. You have to flush it out.
Okay.
So
I feel like they should get this off of their thing.
it's easy to put back in. It already comes wrapped with Teflon.
That's nice.
You just slide it in. Just don't cross thread it. That's it. All done.
Okay.
So as y'all can see, that it's a really simple process to flush out your water heater. I bought the wand from Camping World. You pull the anode rod out, you flush it out. The sediment that's in there, from what I'm told, is from the anode rod itself. It's not sand and stuff. So, but you do want to get that out. You don't want that getting into your plumbing system. But it's easy to do. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share if you feel compelled to. Thank you.